Hey guys, we're gonna go to the competition this 20th September in Subang Jaya, Malaysia. Subang Jaya, Shalam, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is still a Speedcubing Challenge 2014. So we're kinda slow, but we're trying our best, and we're just gonna go for fun. Not for winning, but for fun. Because we know that we are not that fast and we're still trying to do our best with FOPs and trying to buy in websites. And it is Hazim's channel. And this is my little brother's channel. And he is very crazy. Ultimate craziness. Kasih channel sih men, malu lah. Okay, what the subtitle is, hey Hazim, stop doing this. This is your channel. It is embarrassing. Okay dah Hazim, dah please lain. Tengok Hazim.